So the Nissan Micra, finally it's come back from service. The interior is all neat and clean. As you can, it's done about 32,026 kilometers, and as you're gonna see now, all the lights are gonna disappear. That's a sign that there's no problem with any other issues in the car. Switch the AC on. The car just came back from an AC service. The compressor was repaired. The interior is all neat and clean. As you can see, the back seat last time was very dirty. You can see it's all neat and clean. So this car comes with 4 power windows. It comes with dual airbags, a built-in music system by Nissan, which you can probably upgrade to the latest touchscreen system. This has you can adjust the steering wheel up and down on this, but I don't think you can do a tilt. It's just a tilt, there's no reach. It's got surprisingly, it doesn't have any vanity mirror. Okay, there's a vanity mirror here. There's a lot of space in this car. I mean, you can actually do a lot of things here. So let's take it for a small drive and see how it is. They could have actually given us the internally adjustable mirrors. Put my seatbelt on. Let's go for a small drive. Yeah, I can't basically see who's behind me. Okay, just see this is where an electrically adjusted mirror would be helpful. So this car has an airbag. Okay, let's see what we can hear. The noises we can hear. The 1.2 liter engine is always pretty good to drive. It's got ABS, dual airbags. Seatbelt on again. It's a nice house. Okay. I like the Nissan Micra steering wheel is actually pretty good. It's pretty handy. It's good to hold. It's actually a pretty easy car to drive in the city. Easy to turn. And let's get into third gear. Okay, I just took the turn in a second gear. There's one thing about the Nissan Micra, the 1200cc, oh shit, ABS. That's where ABS actually comes into work and into play. And it's a little bit of clutch adjusting that needs to be done. Okay, this is going to be very difficult to actually drive the car with holding the camera. My linear needs to go for work. Again, I've taken this turn in second gear. Okay. It's actually pretty hot outside, and it's quite cool in the Micra, and especially a black color Micra. Okay, so basically that's how simple this car is. The 4 power windows, the center locking, and the auto touchdown mirror. I wish they could have given that. Just one light here, nothing much, and a good back seat. Let's put it in gear.